Hey guys, what's up? So we're gonna be doing a video.
Hi, Eva. Hello.
She scared me. There's another person behind us. That scares me. Your teeth are like green. Wait. Wait on. Okay, yeah. There's like mud everywhere. I can see like the blue. Okay, you guys want to see that? Because we're going down this path. Okay. I'm like so much taller than her. She's tiny. I'm holding her soccer football thing. There's the other bus. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around. Okay, we gotta go in. And there's dirt everywhere. It scares me. Look. The other girl, I don't really like her, but okay.
She's really nice.
I've never met her. I just assume she's not us. Sorry.
Rude.
That's like blue. That's like really blue. Your tongue is like green. Like it's really green. Okay, let's go. There's mud everywhere. And I'm wearing my shoes. That's the trash. Saving the planet, be like.
It looks like an earth.
Oof. Okay, let's go. We have to go. There's a sunset or whatever it is. Sunrise, I don't know. Wait, that's actually pretty funny. I'll be back. I need
Hey
to.
guys, look at my tongue.
Yeah. Okay, we might have to run.
We're gonna track some bears over here.
Shut up.
Bears are hiding. Not trespassing, you idiot.
I'd be Dracula. Okay, now we're on the road. Your shoes. I have like metal in my shoes now. And you don't even care. You know what? Kick your shoes for a living. Jeez. There's a car passing by.
Oh, did you see that move?
That's like I got it on camera. Why can't I not talk? What am I saying?
Ready?
Oh my gosh, your shoe! It's a knife! Wait, they're building houses?
Yeah.
I did not know that. Okay, if you guys didn't know, that used to be like a whole like... Oh, now I can't go... I literally can't go dirt biking now. I know, but it's like... They made even a whole road too. What the heck?
I want to go, like, you know how where I live, like, with, like, full forest to hike?
Yeah.
This is my backyard.
I know, but I really like that trail. It's really fun. One time, I went with my stepdad, and we saw coyotes, and it was really scary.
Yeah, that happened to me, but I saw a bear.
Yeah, I saw bears and coyotes.
What if it was a black bear? So nice.
I think I saw a brown bear, I'm not sure. I was scared as hell.
Or a grizzly bear.
And then I scared it off, so.
Grizzly bear. That was... Imagine if I was grizzly bear, that was just terrifying.
Yeah.
Like, really, I would honestly die. Okay, can you hold it now because we're going down a hill?
Okay, we made it. This is their house. Oh, I think I showed your dress, but it's fine. My kid's so slippery. Hello. Oh.
Well, we were hanging out at the park near her house.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we can see some cat here.
Whatever you make, I want you to clean up this time. You never do. I always have time to do it for you. Thank you. How you doing, Bill?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Lily.
Yeah.
We're gonna do an outro. We're gonna do an outro. You get fishies! Where's your fish? Where's your Oh, right here. Okay, we're gonna do an outro.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you guys so much for
for
watching.
watching.
Leave a like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you know whenever I post. Bye!